When you look at Europe, and particularly Switzerland, we are a very innovative region. Unfortunately today, many of these innovative growth companies are unable to get funding. In particular, there is a staggering need for an alternative source of funding for small and medium enterprises. We've built an internet platform where entrepreneurs can fund their ideas and fund their companies. We are able to leverage both crowd innovation and crowdfunding to finance innovative projects.
What is crowd innovation? Crowd innovation is the ability to use members of the crowd to help develop an innovative project. Today's power of the crowd really comes from the internet. The internet allows you to use lots of people from different parts of the planet working on a particular idea. And why is this important? Because the diversity of opinion is important. Diversity of opinion is what helps you evolve your idea. So a good example of this is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is, in the sum, a fantastic source of very accurate information. But what is it made of? From individual contributions by individual people. And that is an example of crowd innovation. Crowd innovation is also used more practically from companies such as Dell, such as Nestle, Procter & Gamble, BMW, to name a few. These are all companies that either look for innovative ideas from the crowd or test their own innovative ideas on the crowd, get their feedback, and help them develop it further. A perfect example of crowd financing is the election campaign of President Barack Obama in the US, where he was able to raise $400 million on individual contributions that were a maximum of $200. So substantial sums can be raised using crowd financing.
Closer to the business world, look at the company like Trampoline System. There was no other venture capitalists ready to fund their growth. And in doing so, within 2 weeks, they were able to raise £300,000.
At Cofundit, we challenge the prevailing model for financing companies. If you're an entrepreneur and you have a proven business concept, we can provide you with easier access to capital. We can remove those roadblocks that are in your way towards the funding process. We have created a process that is more efficient and more effective for raising the financial capital that you need.
For experts, this is a great opportunity to showcase your know-how, to engage with entrepreneurs and investors in a particular domain you are interested in, therefore reaching into a very receptive audience. For investors, we are building a new class of investments based on debt financing. And this is a way for democratizing investment to private companies where investors before had to be highly wealthy. Now they can invest small sums of money, such as 5,000 Swiss francs, and get a diversification of investment across a broad portfolio of companies which they like and they believe in.
Crowd financing, the Cofundit platform, is risk adjusted. Risk adjusted in that the interest rate that the investor chooses is really dependent on the risk of the project. So as an investor, if I feel a project is particularly risky, I can ask for a higher interest rate. If I think a project is safer, I can ask for a lower interest rate. From the entrepreneur side, I can choose as an entrepreneur which interest rate I'm willing to accept to finance. And so using this market matching mechanism, we're able to come up with an interest rate that matches the risk of the project.
Join us at Cofundit and become part of the movement which will change the way companies are financed.